Okay, welcome back. So I went ahead and updated my menus just like you, or if you're not updating your menu, that's fine, just follow along. I also took out the call to action area down here, and if you scroll down, there was a footer here. I just went ahead and deleted that block because we do not need that. So I left the call to action because some of these pages you're going to need a call to action, whether they're downloading some sort of PDF or checklist or guide or some, tools, resources. So I left this here. So what we want to do is we want to get this to as clean as we possibly can, because this is going to be the core of each of the course pages or the wireframe. So what we're going to do now is I want you to come over to pages and make sure that you're under the course file, not your pages file. And I want you to rename. So in the settings, you'll rename, and you can see that I did this here. I just put the number 1 just because I like to know the order of my pages. So I just put 1 dash pros and cons of a paid account. Actually, I want this to say free account. So let's do this. And then, because that's going to be the very first one. And then what I want you to do is I want you to copy this page name, and we are going to paste it here because that's going to be the URL of this course or this video page. The other thing that I want you to do is make sure that it's added to the course group, whatever the name of your course is. Make sure it says members only. Choose a member group and make sure that it says name of course, because we want to make sure that it's behind this paywall or at least some sort of subscription where they have to log in to access this information. Confirm and save. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come to this page and I want you to duplicate it. Yes. And we're going to come over here. We're going to do the same thing in the settings. Now we are going to put 2 pros and cons of a paid account. And I'm going to copy this. I'm going to put it here. Make sure that it's the course, members only, choose the member group, name of course. So we should be good there. So now we have 2 pages. So what I'm also doing, or that I did, I want to make sure that I told you, is this title, how to use Canva to create beautiful designs. To pro or not to pro, this is the section. So that's what I added here. You can delete this line, you can add something to it, but that way they know what section that they're in. And then now what we're going to do is we want to create these 3 pages. So we're going to come over here. Again, we're going to duplicate the page. Yes. And now we are going to go into the page settings. Show settings. This is going to be video 3. Copy this. We're going to make sure that it's added to the right group, which it is. We're going to make sure it says members only. We're going to make sure that whatever the name of your course is, confirm that, make sure you save that. So important to do that. But now what we're going to do is we're going to come up here and we're going to give it this name, Creating Social Media Assets. And so now I want you to do that for each one of these. So I'm going to also, alongside of you, I'm going to build out, there's 11 pages here. Let's see, 3, 6, 9, 10, 11 pages. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to do exactly what I'm teaching you. I'm going to build out the 11 pages. And then also as you get to the next section, if you want to, it's totally up to you. You can, in this next section, it would be creating freebies. And then the next section, you would change this to creating short videos. Again, not necessary. You can delete all of this. It doesn't matter. But most importantly, the goal today, or not today, but in this lesson, is to go in and create all of the pages that you're going to need for these. So again, we're going to go into your page. We're going to duplicate. Yes. And the next page that we are duplicating is Instagram. So we're going to come back into Pages. We're going to go into the copied page, show settings, and we're going to dash. And then we're going to make sure that we copy this and that we add it to the page URL. Make sure that it's in the correct group and that it's members only, and the correct member group. Save. And then again, you're going to do this for all the pages. So go ahead and create all your pages. Once you have all your pages created, then go ahead and jump into the next lesson. And I'm going to show you how we connect all of them. And if you have any questions, because I know we're kind of getting thick into the woods with this, if you have any questions, please make sure that you reach out to us so that we can help you. But pretty simple. We're just duplicating these pages, changing the names, and making sure that only our members can access them. And that is all. So go ahead. You're going to do your work. I'm going to do mine, and I will see you in the next lesson. And that is it. Talk to you soon. Bye for now, my friend.